Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the full Biled headlight assembly designed to fit the 2013-2017 Chevy Traverse. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's lighting performance, then these headlights are a game changer. With Biled projector technology and Osram LED chips, these headlights provide exceptional brightness and clear illumination, even in the darkest of conditions. Not to mention, the unique design and sequential turn signal light add a stylish touch to your vehicle, making it stand out on the road. But that's not all. These headlights are built to last and withstand tough conditions with a toughened polycarbonate lens and heavy-duty housing. Plus, the installation process is a breeze, so you can have these headlights up and running in no time. So, if you're ready to take your vehicle's lighting to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the full Biled headlight assembly. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.